Hello and welcome to the 7th session of learning Gregg Shorthand. So far, we have covered consonants, vowels, diphthongs, blended consonants, and the main consonants with their word forms. In today's session, we are going to learn two important topics, that's phrasing and punctuation in Gregg Shorthand. So this is session 7 and we'll talk about two important topics, that's phrasing. One is phrasing and another one is punctuation. Punctuation. In Gregg Shorthand, what's phrasing? Phrasing is joining two or more simple words together and writing them as a single outline. This helps to improve both speed and accuracy while writing shorthand. So instead of writing each word separately, we connect them smoothly. For example, if this is I, this is will, this is I, this is will. We will join them together to make a single outline. What we'll do is, this is I, this is will. This becomes I will. This is called phrasing, okay? Next, if this is he and this is can, we can join them together to make it he can. So what is this now? He can. In the same way, I'll give another example. It will. If this is it, this is will, we'll join them together to make single outline. This becomes it will. What is this? It will. Similarly, if we have to write in the, if we join them together, this becomes like this, in the. What is this? In the. Okay. This is called a phrasing. We have more examples. For example, I can. This is I. This is can. This is he. This is will. In the same way, I can give you more examples. At the. This is at. This is the. So this becomes at the. I am. This is I am. Okay. I am. What about he will? This is I will. How do we write he will? You know now. This is he and this is will. So we can write he will or he will. Okay. So this is called phrasing. Now we have another topic, that is punctuation, the second part of this topic. In Gregg Shorthand, what we do, a period, that's a full stop or a period. How do we show this full stop? We write it like this. Okay, remember this. Shorthand is written from left to right. So what you will do, if you write I will do something in the morning, so what you will do, you want to put a period, you can just show it by this. You have to write this. This means this is period. Okay. Next, after full stop, we have paragraph mark. For example, you want to show that this is a paragraph. You can show it by this. This is the sign. This is like a greater than sign. Greater than sign, which we use in English language or mathematics. So greater than sign is basically what? Paragraph sign. Paragraph, to show that this is the paragraph. Paragraph ends here. For example, this is something we write in English and then we start a paragraph over here, right? So then we again, if this is we write it like this, and now you know that this paragraph starts over here and the previous sentence ends here. So what you will do is, when writing Gregg Shorthand, if you wrote this This means that a paragraph starts. Okay, this is the paragraph. Now next we have interrogation mark or question mark. How we show this? We show it like this by a cross. To show a dash, this is a dash in English language, but in Gregg Shorthand, how do we show this? We draw two lines to show this. Now we have hyphen. How do you show hyphen? Hyphen is also like this. What you will do is you draw two hyphens, or two, this is like an equal to in equal to sign in English language. This is a dash, this is hyphen, right? Hyphen in Gregg Shorthand. So in the same way we have what? Parenthesis. How do we show parenthesis? If we have to show in English, we can show it like this: hello, and then close the parenthesis. But in Gregg Shorthand, how we show this? This is parenthesis. We make a parenthesis, then draw a dash. And how do we write hello? This is hello. Okay. Later you will get to know how this is formed. I'm just giving an example, and then we'll close the parenthesis. This becomes what? This is the parenthesis. These are the parentheses in Gregg Shorthand. Okay. I hope you understand what's phrasing and what's punctuation. In phrasing, what we do is, this is very important in shorthand. Remember this, and it should be practiced regularly. The more you practice, the more easily you will recognize which words can be joined together. So not every word can be joined, but with the practice you will understand which words can be joined together. Then we have punctuation. As I told you, full stop. How do we write this? Like this. Then we have this greater than sign. What is this? This is paragraph. When we have to show that the paragraph ends here or starts here, so we can show it by this greater than sign. Then we have question mark. How do we show it in Gregg Shorthand? By this cross sign. And then we have dash. How do we show this? One above other. Okay, two dashes. This represents that this is the dash. And how do we show hyphen? How do we show hyphen? By drawing two small hyphens, and this shows that this is the hyphen. And what is this one? This is dash. And in the same way, if we have to show parenthesis, how do we show it? We draw parenthesis like in English language only, but we draw a small dash in the middle of this parenthesis to show it that this is the parenthesis of Gregg Shorthand. Also, capital letters and proper names are indicated by placing two short dashes under the word. For example, if you have to show this K over here, this is capital, you can put two dashes under this character to show it that this is capital K. This is not small k. And proper names. For example, proper name world. Okay, now you show world is shown like this. This is W sound and this is A sound. This becomes world, shortcut for world. I'll explain it in upcoming sessions. So now I have to show that this is proper name. I can place two dashes to show it that this is the proper name. Okay, that's all for this session. I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you very much.